Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is SJ, and I hope everybody is staying safe and healthy through this crisis that we are all going through. Today, I wanted to talk about a product that I found to kind of make our lives a little bit easier. Some may already know about this, and others may not, but I figured I would share it with all of you. My 2017 Ninja 650 comes with an option for an accessory of a DC power outlet. Now, I have installed the DC power outlet on my Ninja 650. If you haven't seen that video, you can go check it out. But Kawasaki does an accessory for this. And it's just basically, a DC power outlet. And I do have a USB cigarette type plug-in to be able to charge my helmet communicators or a phone. And this is a very nice feature, when you're going down the road, if you want to charge your phone and stuff. It's really great, and a lot of bikes do have this or have the option for this, and it's really nice. The only problem I find with the DC power outlet is when you pull over, say you're waiting for your friends to come, or you're just taking a break, or like what me and hubby do, we'll stop and we'll get some bagel sandwiches and then continue on to the bay. And then, stop at the bay, chill out for a while, have our lunch, and, then continue on. And say you want to do that and be able to charge your phone or your helmets with the Bluetooth while you're sitting waiting. It's hard to do with the DC power outlet, because in order for the DC power outlet, at least on my bike, you have to turn the bike on. It doesn't have to be running, but it has to be turned on. And in doing that, it's going to run the battery down on my bike. So I needed to find something that I could charge my phone or my helmet Bluetooth with that wouldn't run the battery down on my bike if I'm going to sit and have lunch at the bay with hubby or whatever. So what I found is this. This is a 3.0 quick charger. It's an SAE to USB adapter. And it has, as you see here, it has two USB ports. I think one is 2.4, the other is 3.0. And it has an on and off button. Now, all you do is you take this adapter and you plug it into your battery tender. Now, most of us have the battery tender. It's that little adapter that you put onto your battery so that you're able to charge a battery without having to remove your seat or a battery cover, and you have it tucked in somewhere. Mine is, as you can see, zip tied on the bracket for the passenger pegs. But anyway, you plug it in to here, you turn it on, and you plug in your devices. And it's really nice, and it charges up, and it doesn't run the battery down like it would if you used the DC power outlet with the bike turned on. And you can charge anything, your phone, your helmets, any device. If you have a little tablet that you have on you. And that's really, a nice feature. And if you happen to have, depending on where your cord sits, you might need to get, I call it an extension cord. I don't know what the actual name of it is for. I'm sorry, guys. But I have one of these, and it's an extension. So you would just plug the extension into the battery tender and then plug the adapter into the other end. This way, if you have your helmet, as I do here, sitting on the mirror, you're able to charge it without having to worry about it falling off or sitting it somewhere on the bike or sitting it on the ground. So you can get, this extension as well. And they're really small. It's not very big, and they're easy to carry. I keep mine in my book bag. I always carry a book bag with me all the times when I ride. You could keep these under your seat with no problem. If you don't have under the seat storage on your motorcycle, you can put them in your tank bag, you can put them on your fork bag, or you can put them in your saddle bags. Just remember, if you're going to keep them on the bike, or even in a backpack, whatever, that you have the charging cords for the devices to be able to charge it, because the worst thing is you think you have it and you don't have them. So maybe buy extra charge cords so that you can keep them all together in one spot. And it's, like I said, they're not expensive. It's easy to use. And you already have the battery tender on your motorcycle, so why not use that? So guys, I just wanted to show you guys this neat little product that I found. This specific one, I don't know if Amazon still sells it. If they do, I will put the link down below in the description. If not, I will put what it is so you guys can look up on Amazon, because there's different, people sell different ones. And as long as you get the right one, you're fine. And I'll also put, what it's called for the extension. I call it an extension cord. Not the right name, but I'll put that down in the description as well, if I can find it. So, stay safe, stay healthy, and let's flatten this curve, guys. So, until the next one, stay safe.